Do you have this problem with one of your doors? You can fix a sagging door that is rubbing at the top with mostly only a crescent wrench. What you want to do here is take that top hinge pin out with a simple screwdriver. Tap the pin up, it will loosen and come out. Sometimes I have to gently lift the door slightly to relieve the pressure just enough so that hinge pin will slide out. With the pin out, simply take a wood shim or something similar and slide it between your sagging door at the top jamb. You want to make the reveal gap a consistent space again, like when the door was new. Now look back at the hinge side. You notice how those loops on the hinge are out of alignment? This is from years of use and sagging. Doors will sag over time, just like a 50-year-old man. Happens to me. Unless your doors are solid steel and commercial grade, all residential doors I've seen over the years will eventually sag and the hinges will tend to bend. But don't worry, you just need your trusty crescent wrench to fit over the hinges, and with consistent firm pressure, you will have the leverage to bend those hinge loops back together. Now, drop the hinge pin back in place. Sometimes a few taps of a hammer are needed here. Seat the pin all the way down. Now remove the door shims and check the reveal. I want you to open and close the door and make sure you're happy with it. You did it. I knew you could. You used an everyday ordinary crescent wrench and fixed your sagging door.